This is the most overlooked side hustle in 2022. This is something that many people know about but are too lazy to use it, even though it makes tons of money. And you don't have to show your face, have any extra budget to start with, or having any experiences or skills. And it's not blogging, virtual assistants, or dancing on a TikTok. It's a building niche team page on a social media and being the middleman between the company and the purchase. On a social media is 4.28 billion of people. Average person spends 2 hours and 47 minutes on a social media. This is underrated buying potential. Now here is how it works. You create a no-face niche team page on a TikTok or on Instagram about some specific topic. Then you just start creating engaging content and go viral. And it could be anything. Dating tips for men, self-development, or weight loss tips. Then you just join affiliate program about this topic, put the link in your profile, and then just keep creating the content and sending people to these links. This is the exact way how I started, and at the moment I'm making $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing. To learn more, sign up for the 5 days free challenge. You can find link in the bio.